So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can compress the readability of multiple font, how you can compare them. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do so just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for font comparer.com. You can see, check the URL if I pronounce it wrong, and you can do the same steps from your smartphones as well. Now, once the site gets loaded, here all you need to do is to just simply type anything that you have. For example, if I write this is a sample, and here you can see it is generated in multiple font types, and I can check the readability of every font, and then I can use it over the projects I'm doing. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.